Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by immediately confirming server C2 access and grouping with at least 2 reliable teammates. This reduces queue time and coordinates rolls. Once done, equip ranged weapons and a strong fruit or devil fruit for burst and mobility because raids punish slow attackers. Make sure to fully load healing items and revive consumables. If a teammate dies, you need fast resuscitate to keep momentum. Finally, assign roles quickly. Tank, DPS, and support so you can enter the raid without delay. Once the raid begins, focus fire on the boss weak points and call out when to rotate aggro so heals stay effective. This prevents full team wipes. Use your mobility tools, fruit dashes, grapples, and platform control to kite adds and avoid heavy AoE attacks because positioning wins fights. Make sure to synchronize ultimates and high damage windows so you hit damage spikes together, then fall back for heals. Communicate timers and cooldowns constantly, and adjust if the boss telegraphs a phase change. To finish, concentrate the final burst while watching for one-shot mechanics. Step back when the boss telegraphs heavy attacks and then re-engage for cleanup damage. After victory, distribute loot efficiently and note drop counts so you can plan reruns or farm sessions. If you wipe, don't panic. Immediately regroup, adjust roles or timing, and try again in 2 to 3 minutes. This short cooldown keeps momentum and lets you correct mistakes. One key troubleshooting tip. If persistent wipes happen, swap one DPS for a dedicated healer and reassign crowd control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.